Great to be with you all, and I think it's a privilege to be talking to all the people who are present at the moment. Just few things that would be of some interest to a lot of people. JNK Secretariat is today on e-office, and we are completely on e-mode. So we work. We no longer use physical files. There would be very small number of physical files, and that too exceptionally rare. So that is one big change that has come about in JNK. And we are also moving on to all the head of the departments. So in this context, few things become very important, and I'm sure that the industry would know how to deal with that. One, of course, is the cyber security issue, and cyber security issue is not only vis-a-vis those who probably want to attack the site or steal data or things like that, but also in terms of ensuring that the data that we have is protected and is retrievable as and when you need it. So that is very important, because one of the challenges that will always remain with the IT framework is that, are you as reliable as the physical files? There is absolutely no evidence to believe that it is not, but that question keeps coming, that is the is the IT system better, or as comparable to the other system? We in JNK probably are a very good example of what the system can do. We used to carry files from Srinagar to Jammu and Jammu to Srinagar. Every 6 months, we used to carry these files. We actually used to lose about 15 days every 6 months. So in a year, we would at least lose a month in terms of what we used to do. Now we can work from both the places with equal facility, and we can work from, even if we are in Delhi or we are anywhere in the country, we can work with this. It's such a wonderful system in comparison to the old system. So the kind of liberation it has done. The second point I would like to mention, that when we used to work in with the physical files, in the evening after the day, we would carry 10 boxes of files to be disposed of till the morning. So that would be weighing around, maybe, I don't know what, but certainly about 50, 60 kgs. Now you have just to carry a laptop, which is probably half a kg, which is a better bet than carrying all these boxes of files and then coming back with those files. So in that sense, it is great liberation. Uh, I don't think that anybody today would argue that how good is IT. It's good, and it's getting better. But I think few things we need to ensure is that how user friendly we become. When we in JNK today are one of the most, one of the best users of IT systems. Almost every facility is on the IT system. So whether it is getting an electricity connection, or getting a building permission, or mining permission, everything is moving on to online. But that challenge would remain, that once you move on to completely IT system, for example, if you look at food supply, food and civil supply, 99% of our ration cards are Aadhaar seeded. The ratio of on online transaction till few days back for the month was about 95%. So look at the penetration it does and ensures the quality of the service delivery. But at the same time, we need to ensure that these services are available 24 into 7 with least disruptions and are user friendly. User friendliness is what is going to take it forward. And I'm very happy to tell whoever is listening to this that today we are doing a extremely important thing. We are going to put all our revenue records in the online system so public can see it. Now, if you look at what has happened during the last 1 week, the CCTNS system has been made live in JNK, which is Crime and Criminal Tracking Network system, has been brought online. It was pending for a number of years, but now we are online. The revenue records are getting online. All the financial transactions of JNK government, 100% online. There is no way other way. It has brought in immense transparency, but the challenge, as I would say, is just twofold. How do you ensure that it is user friendly? A, and B, how do we ensure that it's robust and more robust than the physical system? So thank you very much, for giving a patient hearing. And I'm sure that this workshop would leave a set of recommendations. uh, I'll just give another example to illustrate the point I'm making. We launched an initiative called Empowerment. Empowerment, if you type on the Google JNK Empowerment Finance, that's all you write, and then you will get to empowerment. You click it, you will get all details of all the projects. The challenge there was that, and which we have to tackle, is that is not very user friendly. It's slow. So the initiative, despite its immense potential, probably needs to get a little more user friendly. So thank you very much, and I'm sure that this workshop will leave a set of recommendations, which our department will be extremely happy to carry out. Very few would have imagined that online systems work in JNK. It does. I mean, very few of you would probably believe that post 2019, 5th August, all the banking transactions were online functioning. And during that period, GST, every system was online. The banking system was online. Today, all government transactions are online. And so typical image of JNK being back of the beyond, that's not correct. Today, we would be comparing with anyone amongst the best in the country, and at least among the most transparent systems anywhere today. So thank you very much for listening. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And it's like we are honored to have you at a platform. And basically, today we had almost around 70 top bureaucrats, all the IS officers from across the country who had participated. And Amit sir and his team, and under your guidance and leadership, we have concluded this conclave today in a very high note with lots of learning. So we tried to create a knowledge exchange platform, and there are lots of knowledge which was shared from various states. It's like there were lots of from across, if I say from across the country, people, the IS officers, the bureaucrats had joined, be it from north, south, east, west, and northeast. Also, we had people from Mizoram and Arunachal. They have also joined. And apart from that, we had some great, interesting talks in the morning also, where Amit sir talked about the kind of digitization processes doing under your leadership. We talked about e-office, and it's like tremendous. And so one of the speaker told that we would like to see in next one year that JNK be the torchbearer of digital transformation. That's what we are looking at. So with this, we would like to thank you, and I'd request my team, backend team, to just present a small certificate of token of appreciation to you, sir. My backend team, if you can, thank you, sir. So this will be
Thanks a lot.
emailing it to you, sir. And
Thanks a lot.
it was really an honor and privilege to be for you to come here. And I'd like, I'm like, we are really grateful and thankful to you and your team, especially Mr. Amit sir, who has supported us, who has helped us in building such a huge conclave, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Chalo?
It was great. At least he joined, and we got an opportunity.